in-class assignment, but you have until Sunday to do it. So we're going to be doing a Matrix mobile intro screen. I don't know if Matrix is cool anymore, but it's new and I kind of just figured this would be maybe a little bit fun. So we're going to create just the first screen of a promotional app for the recently released Matrix 4 movie. Oh, app shouldn't be in it. Below are the details that must be included, and it's up to you to properly sort, group, and place your items in proper hierarchical form. I have a real big problem trying to say that word. So what we do need to have is we need to have two buttons that need to have the text. You decide if the text goes in the button, below the button, etc. Red pill, that symbolizes that you'll be proceeding. Blue pill symbolizes that you're going to stop, you're not going to proceed. Some other text that says welcome. A text or an image that's Matrix 4, so you can grab like a logo online. And for the person that asked about the how to get any visuals on there, just as I noted, you can save it and you can drag and drop on there. Okay. And then also some other text that says take your pick, meaning in relation to the pills. So I've purposely jumbled up the information because I wanted you folks to think about the hierarchy of that text and the elements that are there. Should welcome be at the very bottom and everything at the top? Probably not. So making sure you organize those things and put them in the right order. Again, you're going to do this.
Hello, Miss.
Oh, yeah.
I had a question. Do we need XD installed for this, or?
Yes, you do. It comes with your Adobe suite, so you won't have a problem getting it.
Okay.
So remember to properly order your elements. So again, I purposely gave them to you jumbled up. Very important, please review your fonts, your font sizes, your proper contrast and placement to ensure you have proper readability and eye flow. Again, contrast and size, very important. So this is to get you thinking now about, now we see an actual screen size, you know, how big a navigation should be, how big an icon approximately should be. So you're visualizing from probably your own phones and what's happening on screen. And then hopefully that information will help you get to the next step when we start sketching for our final mobile app. So once you're completed, you'll need to save your work link for submission. And I also want you to create a brief rationalization. Please don't hurt yourself over this rationalization. I don't want you to feel that you need to have, you know, pages of text. I just want a brief description as to why you chose particular imagery and shapes, why you placed them there in that particular order, color sections. You know, I have squared boxes because everything in the matrix is very square, et cetera, et cetera. So it's always nice to rationalize why we're doing things. It's just going to sell your designs and sell your ideas in the future. So for that submission, again, I want to, so you create a one-page PDF. If you can put the link at the top or somewhere on that page along with your brief rationalization. And I also want you to submit that link that we copied. So you're going to put that link on that PDF, and you're also going to submit your link through the submission. And that's it. And that's due on Sunday at the very end of the day. Do we have to use web-based fonts? Yes, always. Good question. That's where you're going to go online, find your, you know, where's the web-based fonts? I think I put that in the web anatomy lecture that we did last week, the 20 best web-safe fonts. A quick Google search will also help you Google web fonts, and then utilize those. Good question, Miko.
Sorry, I'm a little confused. You said we need to put the link at the top of the PDF and somewhere else to submit it?
Yes, so I'm unable to show you because I'm not a student. I know it's weird, but when you submit, you'll be able to actually physically submit a link and upload a PDF.
Okay.
I think once you go to the actual submission, it'll become clear. If there's any confusion, as long as it's in that PDF too, it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Or if in the comments, if you're having an issue or something like that. Okay.
I'm sorry, can you show again how you save it? Because I am a little bit confused about for link and something.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Submit website at the top. Thanks, Megan, where you'd attach your file. So there you go. Who was that? Jocelyn. Megan has noted that it says submit a website at the top above for you to attach a file. So you attach the file and you could submit a link as well through the submission. Like I said, as long as you just, once you click in the submission, it should be quite clear. To submit your link, and again, these are recorded, and I think these recordings were quite clear. So I will just upload these very quickly for you folks today. We go to share, making sure we're on design review, making sure we're on anyone with the link. It won't say, let me just do a fresh one so it doesn't say. Then we click create a link. And then we grab that little link icon and we copy the link. And so immediately you could perhaps maybe grab, pop it into a text edit so you know it's safe. And then you submit that link, and then you also put that on your PDF. And if you're concerned, you know, if your settings, maybe send that link to someone else just to make sure that if they say, oh no, I can't open it, there's an error, then maybe try the link again, or maybe review your settings. I'll actually put that step-by-step in the submission for the assignment of clicking through there, but the video will also be there.